For trainers, teachers, and meeting leaders who view life as a presentation, life is about to get a lot more powerful. This is WOW Vision's theme and mission. WOW Vision has developed and refined the VEOS platform that has been in the market for several years into a highly functional system that changes the paradigm for interactivity. To date, in outfitting a room for computer presentation, there have been issues with connectivity, deployment, retrofitting into the existing space, return on investment, energy concerns, and obsolescence with new connectivity formats emerging. WOW Vision addresses these concerns and headaches and more. The time has come for wireless AV. People want to get to the point faster. How meeting technology gets out of the way and allows immediacy and improved productivity is essential. Have the greatest shared experience working and learning. Over the last couple of years, early adopters have discovered how WOW Vision, with the VEOS Wireless Presentation Gateway, makes classes, training sessions, and meetings more effective. Now, the tried and true VEOS is moving to the next generation. The VEOS family has 3 models. The original Pro VEOS and its companion VEOS are full-featured units. The Pro is suitable for standalone applications, while the VEOS is meant to work in conjunction with a central server. What was found with some users is they loved the VEOS but only preferred a subset of the number of features loaded in the unit. So WOW listened and responded. With the introduction of the new Mini VEOS, it provides a lower cost of entry while allowing building blocks of features the customer needs. The most commonly enjoyed features are included in the base unit. Get the additional ones you want a la carte. Besides being an excellent wireless solution, WOW VEOS defines cloud AV by not only allowing in-room collaboration, but reaching into the cloud for retrieving resources or storing recorded presentations. Why WOW? First and foremost, it makes any environment look better. The room is free of cable clutter. What connectors do you put on a panel? HDMI, VGA, DisplayPort? Or how many table interfaces or wall panels should you have? Connectivity is a hassle. Users find fumbling with cables to be an annoyance and distraction to getting down to business. Starin's job with our integrator providers as AV IT professionals is to make users' work lives easier and more productive. How? Talking head training and instruction is not as effective as when the learner is involved. WOW turns teaching environments into learning environments of involvement. Work groups, too, can now trade viewpoints and share data for greater productivity and increased understanding. Here's how it fits on the network. The VEOS would typically be located by the projector. The computers connect via the existing wireless LAN to a WEP or to a Wi-Fi router, sending their displayed content by streaming. Here is the connections. Note that we have serial connections to control a projector. There are analog and digital outputs for any type of display device. With the dual LAN ports, one is for future use. The audio input allows you to feed a wireless microphone or in-room audio system into the VEOS for recording. Let's look how to build up features in a mini VEOS, starting with the onboard standard set. Wireless presentation is the basic wireless sending of a computer desktop to the room screen. You can play full-resolution HD video files from your computer to the display. It will take any computer resolution and scale it to the native resolution of the projector or panel. Ask private or group questions of the group via chat. When the IT admin does not allow installing of the toolbar client application that allows sharing, you can run a virtual client, starting it from the VEOS itself or via USB stick. The virtual toolbar client runs for the duration of the session and goes away when through. Compare 4 computers at once via quad split. Collaborative whiteboarding allows any and all users in the session to mark up a common document or the whiteboard slate. When someone is presenting an interesting file another participant wants, it can be easily handed over. How many users can be in a single session at a time? And what is the seat license? It's unlimited, and there is no additional cost. There is a staff user level that gives priority and management of the session over basic participant users. Zoom in on areas of interest within a shared screen. Then there's the other features like alert notification and other admin management like LDAP Active Directory interface. Here are the optional features. Now you understand the included features of the base Mini VEOS model. Let's look at how you can take the a la carte menu and add additional features you want. Share My Screen. It allows a user to share his screen desktop to other users appearing on their computer screen. Record the presentation with all desktop images switched between all participants who shared and room audio. This provides a record of the session for those who could not attend or those who want to review the proceedings. Room grouping allows multiple room displays to be grouped together for simultaneous presentation. This is ideal for divisible room spaces or overflow rooms. Audience Response System. Have real-time polling quiz for instant audience feedback. With e-exam, have paperless exams for students. Exams can be created online or offline, and results can be published instantly. Multimedia display converts a display into digital signage, so you can post messages between the sessions as you enter or leave a room. You can also expand the e-notice software to other signage displays in public areas. Classroom Management System allows administration and control of students' participants' laptops. Take control of the participants to illustrate how to work with a problem on their computer. Third-party control allows IR, relay, serial control of the displays, as well as control from a remote location via phone or computer web interface. Best of all, WOW operates with all current devices. The original VEOS and Pro VEOS are still available. For all practical purposes, the Mini can be built into a Pro by unlocking features. The Pro does have 5.1 analog outs, which the Mini only has surround out via the HDMI. The Pro also does 3D. The VEOS is for enterprise application with a Microsoft server. Here is the largest deployment of WOW. The first large-scale project had the requirements of being easy to install and quick to deploy with little downtime. It needed to retrofit into the existing components in the room easily. It needed to eliminate cables and interfaces. It needed to be scalable to face the future possibilities, and had to be cost-effective. Here are the impressive results. A 90% cost savings. Install in 29 days of 278 rooms. A high adoption rate by users and lower power consumption. It laid the foundation for a wireless, paperless campus. TeamVUZ. You can create an active learning environment with a main display and multiple group displays, where students in a huddle can share their work and collaborate in a hub. Here is TeamVUZ in use. The instructor can allow users to display their laptop on a common group display, LCD, projector, plasma, or any digital display, or to the classroom main display. TeamVUZ connects any user's laptop's mouse in the group to the cursor on the group display screen. The group can all collaborate to work on a shared document. Anyone can jump a keyboard mouse to one of the group displays and control it. In fact, more than one person can be connected to the same group display simultaneously, allowing the kind of collaborative interaction that happens around physical whiteboards. Now, this can happen in the same space or across spaces. TeamVUZ is the logical multi-workgroup VEOS environment. Yet more innovation is available. The Ripple adds the capturing of 2 video sources and 1 computer to be streamed live. Or the session can be recorded for on-demand viewing and archival needs. The sessions are easily viewed through common browsers. Imagine the powerful combination of VEOS interactive work, along with the ability to stream it live and record to store on a central server. WOW makes a difference in the performance of work and learning. 1. You get wireless ease. 2. It works all types of common devices. 3. It creates an environment for collaboration. The time and expense to get it running are small. As we face the sunset of analog VGA connections, why bother cabling for whatever the next format is? WOW is an upgrade path that is ready for the future as Wi-Fi expands. It is leaner and greener, saving costs of acquisition and cost of ownership. Reduce power consumption. Reduce the waste of hardware. Reduce the clutter. As a cloud-based solution, WOW is positioned for the fast migration as more resources move to the cloud. As a company, the philosophy is clear. Smart with seamless connectivity. Surpass traditional methods of information sharing. Set the trends for the future. WOW has a proven history. Through patented technology, WOW has refined the features and functions of VEOS, bringing it to version 5.0.3. WOW is distributed by Starin, a $100 million company in business since 1988, providing qualified integrators with AV and IT solutions. Support and training are a part of the WOW experience provided by Starin. We want to assure you have effective use of making WOW part of your everyday experience. Here is the basic warranty for VEOS. In the first year, all upgrades to software and firmware are free. Extended warranties not only extend the time, but also add an advanced replacement provision. Thank you for getting into WOW.